भगवान जी की
जय।
Yesterday I told you something about the Lord Ganpati. Today I will explain little bit further. Lord Ganpati is supposed to be the most intelligent one in the universe. If we pray to him, our intellectual level becomes higher and higher. Lord Ganpati is always with Riddhi Siddhi, and he has two sons. One's name is Subh, other's name is Labh. Subh means all good things, good deeds, virtuous things. Labh means profitable things. So, this complete system represents that Ganpati, whenever he appears to me, he appears with all. And what mantra Ganpati says while appearing? With me, he always says Subham Labham Riddhim Siddhim. Om Subham Labham Riddhim Siddhim. By just these words he appears. With me, with others it may be different thing. So it means that always in life we should have all these four things. Subham, Labham, Riddhim, Siddhim. He never says Riddhim Siddhim first. Right? But he says Subham. Subham means auspicious things. If you are really doing always auspicious things and you are on the path of really particular system which we call towards reaching God as the guidelines given by scriptures so that we can do only virtuous things, then you are accumulating Subh things with us. And once the volume of accumulating of these Subh things become very, very, very high like Himalayas, right? Then the profitable things automatically come to us. Everything is then pulled to us. Because this punya itself has the power of attracting everything good towards you. And the pap has the power to attract everything negative towards it. Both have equal powers, pap and punya. Sins and virtuous things. Equal power. But one will attract always negativity, one will always attract positivity. Lord Ganpati explains that go on doing punya only. Never bother of negative things. Gradually and gradually the profit will come to you. And once these kids are with you, where will be their mothers? Simple logic. Kids are with you, mother will be with you. So Riddhi Siddhi will be always with you. If the kids and Riddhi Siddhi all are with you, all the four, this four is being represented by Swastika of Ganpati. Right? And this four is supposed to be Char Pursat, four Pursat. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Right? Dharma means religion or realization, you can say. Artha means purposeful things in life, not only money. Right? Third, Kam. Kam means fulfillment of desires. And Moksha means being one with God. Right? So these four things we need in life. So these all four are being represented by the swastik with Ganeshji. And these all come under the category of Subha, Labha, Riddhi, Siddhi. Because when these are with you, then Ganpati will be always with you. Then he will be in the center of that swastik. And once he is there, then no problem in life. Then you will understand all. You are asking so many questions, you will know yourself all questions. So this is the format of swastik. This is the design of Lord Ganpati to be with the Riddhi Siddhi Subh Labh, and he is always being protected and blessed by his parents, Shiva and Parvati. One day, I asked Ganeshji, why people suffer from diabetes? Because Ganpati has also diabetes. When you read books, scriptures in Ayurveda, there are these stories. He got cured because of different things. He told me, I belong to Shiv. Shiv is my father. If I go on chanting bum, 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 this is one mantra, one seed letter mantra. The mantra is bum, 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 bum. And when you go in North India during Shravan month, everybody goes with the water, something on the shoulders, putting water, taking bol bum, bol bum, bol bum, bum bum, bole, bum bum, bole, bum, like that. says that this bomb mantra is so powerful, this can gradually and gradually reduce diabetes. Right? And since Shiva is the head of all the doctors, Baidyanath, right? So he knows the technique. And since Shiva is Mahamrityunjay, he cannot die, right? So both things are with Shiva. He cannot die and he is head of all the medicines. So by following him, myself being his son, right? Do you think that I will not be cured? But what we do? Not understanding anything. So this was one of the technique. Of course, he gave me one further technique to be with the diabetes, to take control to some extent. That technique I have given in my books in India. You can ask for those all details because there is no so much time to discuss. And one particular mantra Lord Ganpati gave me when I did his first Kotyachan. I will tell you one example of my own experience in my life. When I was completing first Ganpati Kotyachan, that was in Borivali in Bombay. He appeared and he said, see, now I am blessing you. You will go to America. Most of the times I tell this story. I said, I don't plan to go to America. Why should I go to America? Because I am not of that quality to see something there, nothing new for me. Why should I go to America? Tell me to go to some pilgrimage place, I will go. He said, now you are going. That's all. And I told everybody that he has blessed. My wife started laughing, going America. But now I am here in America. The complete story I have told many times here also. I am not repeating that. But this blessing came to me first time in Ganpati Kotyachan in Borivali. Right? These things are video recorded there also. Why I am telling this? If I say something, it happens. And always I talk in group with proof. Right? And I don't talk something written only from book. Of course, whatever is written in book, that is also truth. Because today I am telling some truth. Previous to me, other sages have told the truth. So written in book is also truth. What I am telling is also truth. In future, what you will tell to others, that also will be truth. But some people will be able to understand, some will not be able to understand that truth. So he blessed me there. In that Kotyachan, he gave me one very special mantra. That special mantra I am not going to disclose today, because that's very really special. But it is to be done for 6 months continuously. It takes 3 hours at one stretch. The process is before sunrise it should be completed. Right? So prior to sunrise, 3 hours earlier, you have to get up and get everything ready. Do that mantra. In that one condition was required that there should be Ganpati idol made of gold. Right? Now to have Ganpati idol made of gold is not easy thing. Because gold, always it was costly, still today it is costly. So I asked him, sir, any bypass, because even myself cannot go with gold Ganpati. He said, then it should be gold plated. But preferably gold plated. Maybe mini to mini, small to small. Because some gold lockets are available with Ganpati. On that Ganpati, Pran Pratishtha should be done by a proper person who knows the technique, complete technique, not just buy from the shop and keep it there, because nothing will happen. So, that mantra I told to all of my disciples. And one funny thing over there, he smiled. He was telling, but none of your male disciples will ever do this. None of your male disciples will ever do. Only your female disciples will do. I don't know why. But when I really see, nobody did. Few female disciples really did. And one of them is my daughter, Neha. She completed and she did it many times. And he told that if anybody will do this, naturally there will be tremendous change in his life. Luckily, Neha became CA. She became American CPA also. Everything. I think that those mantras should be given to you. But the conditions are very difficult. I remember one thing. Hanumanji one day he gave me one particular sadhana, 3 days sadhana, to remove all obstacles. Right? Sankat Mojan, Ganesh, Hanuman, they are more or less same. And he said this, if somebody follows, all problems will be gone. So, I told this at one of the lectures. There was one of my disciples very close to me. He said, Guruji, why you are telling such sadhanas? I said, what is the problem? He said, nobody will do this. I said, why? No, Guruji, so tough sadhana, who will do? I said, maybe you may not do. If it is written or recorded somewhere, maybe in your generation somebody can do. Is it not there? Suppose there is big Ramayana kept in your house, nobody ever reading. Maybe your grandchildren one day start reading Sundarkand for that Ramayana. You may go on. So whatever knowledge we are giving, it's not for only one man. It's for coming generation. So you should try to take that Ganpati mantra whenever you feel that you really deserve or whenever you think that you really want to do that. So it is one of the things, it was just coming to my mind because I may also forget. So many experiences are there with me, with Ganesh and others, so I can't remember now. But one thing I tell you, Ganesh can remove your diabetes. He can make you very much successful with your intellect. He can control all your obstacles. But today when I was sitting in my house, in condo, he appeared and he said, go and tell people, don't ever be discouraged. When Ganpati is here, and Ganpati means remove all obstacles. I remember very well, 2 or 3 years back here in this office itself, he appeared to me. Some home process was going on there outside. He said, I will tell you one thing, tell these people. Then he smiled. I asked, why you are smiling? He said, you tell, they will listen, but nobody will believe. So that's why I am smiling. I said, okay, believe or no believe. He said that take all problems of the world, take it in form of football, keep it here, call me, invoke me, and pray to me. I will kick all problems. You understood or not? It's very clear thing. Take all problems. I don't say you take off the whole universe. At least you take problems of family. And if suppose you are all alone, by the grace of God, then take only your problem. Right? But whatever problems are there, take them. In one hand, all problems. In second hand, Om Gangadapati, let Ganpati do. He will destroy, finish all. But why we are not so active? Why we are not so positive? Why we are not taking all these things as a challenge? Weak persons, living in a weak company, always weeping, weeping, weeping. So stop keep weeping. All deities are warriors. Do you think Ganesh had ever done fights or not? No? Always eating modak? About Sri Vidya I am telling you. You don't know anything about Sri Vidya. You just only know pray and offer and you will get all money. But Sri itself has to fight for many years with the demon called Bhandasur. Right? Any Mahavidya, any format of deity, male or female, they had to go for very, very tough fights in their life. Maybe Krishna, maybe Arjun, maybe Hanuman, anybody. Even you are also fighting with your own problems in life. Myself also, because this system made by God. So Ganesh is saying, why not people are ready to take challenge? And during the Sri Vidya fight with that Bhandasur, this Devi could not do anything. She could not win that demon. Right? Then some person appeared and said, without the help of your son, Ganesh, you cannot do anything. Then she called Ganesh there. She prayed to Ganpati. And then Ganpati helped her. You go and meet some real expert person in Sri Vidya, he will tell you this story. Second thing I am telling, when Lord Shiva went to destroy this Tripurasur, right? He failed. Many times he failed. He could not fix his aim at that city. Always disturbed. All the deities gathered together. What is going wrong? Then somebody gave the clue, Brihaspati Dev, that call Ganesh. Then Lord Shiva prayed Ganesh. And that prayer went through Ganpati Sahasranam. Right? So 1000 names were created by Lord Shiva to make Lord Ganpati pacified. Then Ganpati appeared and he asked, "What, Father, what you want from me?" He said, "Help." He said. Then it worked. Now you can ask why son and father are behaving like this. Right? This is the rule laid down by God himself. So you have to follow that. So now, when Ganpati is helping his own father, his own mother in form of Sri Vidya, everywhere, without Ganpati, only problem, nothing else. And one day in my ashram, about 6-7 years back, I was facing some problem. I called Ganesh, he appeared, I said, "Please help me." He said, "No. It's not my department. Because you are not my devotee. Right? I communicate with you, I meet with you, but I will not do this job. Because you belong to somebody else." Right? So you call that force. I smiled. Then I said, "Okay, you bless me, I will call." He blessed. Okay. So your own deity will do more for you. Understood? But Ganpati's assistance or help or cooperation is must. So try to understand something about Ganesh ji. Of course, I have lot of experiences with Ganesh. I did 3 Ganpati Kotyachans. In all, he has given different things. And today, again he appeared. Yesterday he was in a very furious form on the fire with lot of weapons, especially one weapon called Parasu. In Sanskrit we call Parasu, I don't know what you call in language. So, very powerful and many more weapons with him. And today, little bit pacified, but not yet pacified. But today he appeared with all his family. Yesterday he was all alone because he was very angry. But today with all his family appeared. And he has given one particular information that I want to pass on to you all for your benefit. He said, 1.5 months celebration for Shravan month goes for my father, Lord Shiva. Right? 1.5 months, 45 days. 9 days goes to Navratri, his mother. 1 month goes to Purushottam Mas. After every 3 months there comes 1 month with Lord Vishnu. Purushottam Mas. Every 3 years. Yes. It's called Purushottam Mas. That belongs to Lord Vishnu. 1 day for Lakshmi. Right? 15 days for Pitru. So just see. For Lakshmi, how many days? So Lakshmi is more important or others are more important? But naturally for us, she seems to be more important. Then further he says, 10 days for me. At least 1 day more than my mother. But he says, the way you are all celebrating Navratri, to take a lot of energy from her, even if you have all energies with you, you don't know how to utilize that then. So many things are here in this office. Lot of things in kitchen, here and there. I don't know anything then. Even I don't know switch off the fan. What I will do? Sitting for 1000 years, fan will be there, I will be here. I can't take any help from fan. So Ganpati is something very important. Wherever presence of mind is needed, anything is needed, it is there. So these 10 days we should celebrate even in a higher mode than we celebrate Navratri. Got the point or not? We will give extra time in Navratri. We will not give so much time during this. So still 8 days are with us. Don't worry. The knowledge came today to me. I am passing on to you as early as possible. Now it's all up to you whether you take benefit or don't benefit. Then again we'll say, Guruji, I am very busy, so God is also very busy, because you know how many galaxies he has to control. So these things are very important. So try to do as much as you can do. And further he says, if during these 10 days somebody can really make me very happy and can absorb all my energies, then definitely problems will be gradually and gradually gone. Don't think that just at a glance it will go. It goes only in picture. God appears, finishes. Actual life, even this Durga has to take 10,000 years to finish one enemy, Mahikasura. So this is one way, do as much as possible. And then the Divine Mother Baglamukhi says, 100 years, suppose his life to a person, he can live for 1,000 years. Provided he is continuously getting energy. What a yogi does in a gufa, in a cave in Himalayas, what he does? Is he getting his blood daily tested? Vitamins, minerals and other things? Side effects?
No.
Substitutes? What he is doing? How they live so long? Not upon your science. The more and more the science is developing, the more and more diseases are developing, more and more there is rush in the hospitals. No bed is ever empty in any hospital. Why? I will not reply today. On some day I will talk definitely upon this topic about mantric healing. How diseases can be really cured by mantras. Because mantras are something on earth which is more powerful than any other thing else. So Divine Mother says, go on taking energy from me. You can live for 1,000 years, if you want. Suppose today Ganpati appears to all of us. He says, okay, today I will bless you to live 1,000 years. Anyone from you will be ready to ask 1,000 years? Why no? Why so much afraid? Don't worry, if he will allow to live for 1,000 years, then he will arrange very good things for 1,000 years. No shortage of money, no tension, nothing. And even our wives also will live up to 1,000 years. Don't worry. Then I think you all will ask, okay God, if everything is going on well, then you allow 1,000 years. So be happy, enjoy. Take life as a challenge. Take deities as a challenge. Take mantras as a challenge. This is all for today. Don't ever feel weak. And today my Babaji said, even a beggar can be a king. If he is really very serious and he takes one burning fire inside him and his mind, life force, vitality, heart, determination, everything very strong, just like iron or even harder than iron, then a beggar can be a king. So you all belong to Baglamukhi. How you should behave? Stronger and stronger. So much strong that nobody could even imagine, can think, hey, he's such a man. I saw him, he was just weeping 10 years back, but now he doesn't weep at all. No problem with him, no fear factor, all gone. Where it is gone? Actually nothing is gone, all is there only. But the confidence level when it comes, you know, what is the definition of them? Suppose it is raining. You can't stop the rain. But if you take a raincoat or umbrella, then they're protected. In the same format, when you take one particular mantra of a deity, with that problem, like rain, it's not harming you now. After few years, you will be very strong, right? Then you can face that problem. So these mantras make you stronger to be able to face that problem, cut that problem away. So never get nervous, never get afraid, take life as a challenge. And my Guruji says, there is nothing higher than the sword of a Guru. And the sword of a Guru is knowledge. Other sword also. Because all these divine weapons move only through Gurus. Any divine weapon allotted by blessing to any of the followers, Asada, maybe your Arjuna or something else, they get through Gurus. Right? Not without Gurus. It means Gurus have command to take any weapon. If they don't have command, how they will give to Arjuna? So there is nothing higher than Guru's sword to cut the problems. But the highest thing with people is they hardly have any faith in Guru. So what is most essential is faith in God and Guru, in Ganpati, in Mantra, in everything. That is the alpha today. All my blessings to you.